MegaETH just launched their testnet, and it is one of the most awaited testnet in the Ethereum ecosystem. This is because there is a lot of airdrop opportunity with new apps being created on top of it, so you don't want to miss out. Hey guys, welcome back to Republic Labs YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the MegaETH Testnet, its launch, its controversies, and how we can access it to earn potential airdrop in its ecosystem. Let's talk about it. As you can see here, MegaETH just announced that they are introducing their public testnet. The public testnet is considered scalable as it has produced around 20,000 transactions per second and a 10 millisecond block time, meaning it is closer to fulfilling its promise as a scalable layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum. This is because if you haven't heard about MegaETH yet, MegaETH is basically a layer 2 blockchain that is planning to help Ethereum become more scalable, as its team promised that the blockchain will be the most scalable layer 2 blockchain in the Ethereum ecosystem. Also, one of its promises that it will be the first real-time blockchain. So, what does real-time mean? Real-time in this scenario means that the blockchain will be similar to Web2 applications, meaning it's fast and it's secure and also it's cheap to use, even free. Real-time in the sense is that transactions will happen fast, meaning if we take a look at Web2 applications, we can see that usually it is faster than most Web3 applications. This is because in Web3 applications, there are confirmations and validations that needs to happen in a blockchain. So it usually takes more time to execute transactions compared to Web2 applications. The MegaETH blockchain wants to be the most scalable layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum by promising that they will reach around 100,000 transactions per second, even more. Also, they promise that, unlike other layer 2 blockchains in the Ethereum ecosystem, they promise that they will only help Ethereum as every transaction will be settled on Ethereum. This means that they are not planning to have its own ecosystem separate from Ethereum, as the native blockchain of the MegaETH ecosystem is ETH or Ethereum. Also, as you can see here, they promise more scalability by bringing lower fees. As you can see, the current fees is lower than $0.01, meaning it's cheaper than existing layer 2 blockchains in the Ethereum ecosystem. The architecture or the infrastructure of the blockchain is not really different from any other layer 2 blockchains in the Ethereum ecosystem that's scalable. However, the main difference is that it uses mini blocks. Mini blocks specifically help transactions to be executed and stored in the blockchain more efficiently, meaning because of these mini blocks, the blockchain is more scalable and less prone to latency. As you can see here, the main explanation clearly emphasizes that using mini blocks, MegaETH is different than other EVM blockchain. This is because the mini blocks has differences with the EVM blocks, which helps it to become less prone to latency and more scalable. Also, the MegaETH infrastructure is complemented by real-time API to achieve the main goal of being the first real-time blockchain. A real-time API means that data are accessed real-time, meaning a lot of other components of data that needs to be accessed from external sources will be accessed real-time. So, this complements the value of having no latency and being more scalable than other layer 2 blockchains. So by this explanation, it can be seen that the MegaETH ecosystem will be interesting. This is because it's already close to delivering its promise of being the most scalable blockchain and a real-time blockchain, with 20,000 transactions per second in its testnet. However, there are controversies regarding this blockchain. This is because of a project called Tornado Cash, which, if you might remember, was usually being used by hackers and money launderers to launder money. This is because Tornado Cash diverts and diversifies your money to other addresses and other blockchains, meaning it makes it more harder to trace the account of the original owner of the funds. There are comments that Tornado Cash being available on MegaETH blockchain will have a bad impact on its compliance, meaning it might have negative sentiment from the regulators that will potentially hinder its growth. However, these are all still speculations, as the Tornado Cash application itself hasn't been listed officially on the MegaETH Testnet application list. Now, if you want to take a look at the application list of the testnet version of the MegaETH blockchain, and if you want to use the testnet itself, let me show you how. As you can see here, the first thing you need to do is go to the megaeth.com website and then click the testnet. In here, the first thing you need to do is disconnect your wallet and add the MegaETH testnet to your wallet, preferably MetaMask. You can do this by scrolling down until you reach the guide that said they want to support on MetaMask. All you need to do is just click this button, switch to Mega, and then you will be connected to the MegaETH testnet. Let's try it out. So as you can see here, you need to use MetaMask and then log in. And as you can see here, you can just add MegaETH Testnet and then approve. And then you need to check your wallet to see if the MegaETH Testnet is already added to your wallet. As you can see here, the testnet has already been added, called the MegaETH Testnet. Now, to access the testnet, you need a testnet token. So this means you need to go to the faucet and then ask for some token. To do this, you just need your wallet address and then ask for the testnet token. You can do this by copying your address and then pasting it here, and then get the testnet ETH. As you can see here, the testnet faucet will give you maximum of 0.00002 testnet ETH per wallet address every 24 hours, meaning you cannot ask for more from this faucet. You can ask for more on other faucet, however, there are no other faucet available yet, meaning you can only access the testnet ETH for MegaETH from this faucet. After requesting, all you need to do is just check your wallet again to see if the testnet token has been sent yet. As you can see here, the testnet token has been sent, and you can use this to try out applications on the MegaETH ecosystem. All you need to do is just go to the app list, and then you can explore all the applications on the MegaETH Testnet ecosystem. Most of these are DeFi apps, so you can use your testnet tokens to potentially get airdrop opportunities. One example is CAP. As you can see here, the application is live on its testnet, and you can just click the launch app button, and then the version that is live is just to mint the CAP USD. This is because this is a stablecoin backed protocol, which means that if you mint the stablecoin, you might potentially get points for an airdrop, since you are doing activities on the application. As you can see here, you only need to paste your address again, and click the I accept button, and then connect your wallet. Now that you have connected your wallet, all you need to do is just mint the token. All you need to do is just confirm the transaction, and then you have successfully minted the token. This counts as an activity that might potentially earn you points for the airdrop, if there are any. Another project you can try is the GTE. However, there are potentially errors along the way, as this is still the testnet version. As you can see here, you can just connect your wallet, and then you can start transacting on the application to potentially earn you points for a potential airdrop. So overall, the MegaETH ecosystem is pretty much interesting, as there are a lot of potentials that can be done with it. From being a developer, a user, and an investor on the ecosystem, you might get a lot of opportunities that potentially might be bullish in the long run. Well, that's all the information I have today. If you guys like contents like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you guys are notified when we next upload. Cheers, guys!